Hey everybody, we're going to do gears for makers this fall coming up. We got a few classes announced and we really want to tell you all about it. Even if you're a proficient gear maker, they're difficult, but you can make them a lot of different ways. You can hob them, you can shape them, you can mill them on your milling machine, you can print them on your 3D printer, you can get out your CNC router and make a big wooden gear. No matter how you want to make gears, all the stuff we're going to show you is going to be fundamental to making gears back when you get to your shop. Useful knowledge. You don't have to have all our tools. We'll give you the knowledge, which is more powerful than an individual tool. Bang. These machines are especially quick at making gears, so we can cut some, process them, and measure them and see how it all works. You'll get to do it. Bring your shop clothes. We're going to get dirty. Now, we had a gear school not long ago. We took all the feedback from that class, and we had a lot of other kind of informal courses with some of our clients. So we've taken all that feedback and tried to continually improve this class. We really are passionate about sharing what we've learned and helping other people pass the hurdle on gears. It's a hands-on class. There's no substitute for that. You can read till you're red in the face on gears, but if you want to get a huge jump start way up the curve, whether you're making gears or inspecting gears, QCing gears for stuff you're buying. One of the cool things about it is we're just in a neat part of the world. Ventura's cool, it's nice, and I'm talking cool in a temperature range of 65 this morning and maybe 75 later today.
There's some interesting elements to gears as well, not only the history, but also everything they need to be enveloped in, like oil, the machinery that makes them, the machinery that they're going to go into. So there's more to it than just gears, and we'll have slices of that as well during the class. I sure hope you can join us in Ventura for Gear School. We'll take good care of you, and we'll have a good time. Hope to see you soon.